The Nitish government in Bihar faced a setback from the Patna High Court, which struck down the decision to provide 65% reservation for EBC, SC and ST category. The court annulled the law introduced by the JDU-RJD coalition government regarding Bihar reservations. The Bihar government had increased the reservation for backward classes, extremely backward classes, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes from 50% to 65%, which was challenged in the High Court. The Patna High Court heard petitions filed by Gaurav Kumar and others, with the decision reserved on March 11, 2024 and delivered today on Thursday. Chief Justice K.V. Chandran's bench conducted a lengthy hearing on the petitions. Advocate General P.K. Shahi, representing the state government, argued that the increased reservation was due to inadequate representation of these groups and was not granted on a proportional basis. In the money laundering case related to the Delhi liquor policy scandal, the court has reserved its decision on whether Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal will be granted bail. On Thursday, after hearing the arguments, the court did not immediately announce its verdict. The Enforcement Directorate opposed Kejriwal's bail plea, alleging that he used hawala money to stay at a 7-star hotel during the 2022 Goa elections. Special Judge Nitya Bindu of Delhi's Raj Avenue Court reserved the decision after hearing arguments from both Kejriwal and the ED. On Wednesday, the court extended Kejriwal's judicial custody until July 3rd. The ED claimed that Kejriwal had solicited a bribe of 100 crore rupees from South Group for his party. The Supreme Court has again refused to halt NEET UG 2024 counselling. The court stated that if the exam is cancelled after the final hearing, the counselling will also be annulled. Previously, on June 11, the Supreme Court had rejected a similar appeal. Today, a new petition demanding the exam's cancellation was heard, filed by 49 students and the Student Federation of India. The next hearing is scheduled for July 8. The petitioners demanded background checks and forensic investigations for students scoring above 620, along with a CBI probe into paper leak allegation. The case is being heard by a vacation bench comprising Justices Vikram Nath and SVN Bhati. Amir Khan's son Junaid's debut film Maharaj faces uncertainty as its release is stalled. The Gujarat High Court heard the case with Justice Sangeeta Vishain, stating that a decision on the film's release will be made after watching it. The court emphasized the need for stricter regulation to bring OTT platforms under government control, citing the risk of unregulated content. The film's producers are accused of hurting Hindu sentiments, specifically offending the Vaishnav community. The Pushti Marg sect challenged its release in the High Court. Maharaj, produced by Yash Raj Films, was scheduled to release on Netflix on June 14th. The National Human Rights Commission has taken suo motu cognizance of a media report alleging labour law violation at Amazon's warehouse in Manesar in Haryana. The NHRC noted that if the report is accurate, it constitutes a serious bench of laws and guidelines issued by Ministry of Labour and Employment. The Commission has issued a notice to the Secretary of Ministry requesting a detailed report within 1 week. Additionally, the NHRC has taken suo motu cognizance of the another media report about a Panipat hospital performing surgery on wrong knee of a patient. The hospital charged 8,000 rupees and confiscated the patient's Ayushman card. The NHRC has issued notices to the Haryana Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police demanding a report within a week. The NHRC emphasized that negligent officers cannot evade responsibility for failing to regulate inhuman practices in hospital and requested details on actions taken against the culprits and compensation provided to the patients. Sultanpur's MP-MLA court has issued a warrant against Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh on Thursday in connection with alleged violations of COVID-19 protocols dating back 3 years. Singh, who has reportedly been absent from court proceedings, faces legal challenges as the public prosecutor highlighted his repeated non-attendance in previous hearings. The warrant was issued by Magistrate Shubham Verma due to Singh's absence.